All right guys, so here's the situation. I'm riding my bike. I got the KTM RC 390. It only has about 50 miles on it. I bought it brand new, and this is my rear brake. There's no play whatsoever, and the brake keeps locking up. If you guys know a fix for this, definitely put it in the comment section below, because I have no way to ride this bike with the brakes like this. The front brake is good, it's just the rear brake, and I haven't even been using it. So all right guys, so I gotta get my bike fixed real quick because the brakes are locking up in the back, and I'm having trouble shifting gears, and then engine braking, and the bike just slows all the way down. So we're about to find out how much everything's gonna cost, and then I'll be back on the road. So they charged me 20 bucks. He bleeded the brakes a little bit in the back. I think it was too much pressure. So now everything should work fine. So I'll drive it and test it out and see. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, man. So it was riding way smoother, and then when I'm using engine braking, the bike is not slowing all the way down to a dangerous level. So the guys fixed it, but we'll see. I'll ride around for a little bit and then see if the problem happens again. I mean, that was pretty scary, man, with that back brake locking up, and it's raining. This is my first time riding in the rain, and it's like, bruh, crazy, bro. Yeah guys, they fixed the problem. Now it feels normal like it does when I first started riding it. That's interesting though, man. It's crazy. All right guys, so to sum everything up, you know, I was riding, handling my business, running some errands, and I noticed when I downshifted or I tried to do engine braking, the bike would slow down all the way to an unsafe level. I had cars behind me and traffic, and on top of that, it was raining. So, you know, it was a pretty wild experience. Luckily, you know, I was able to reach out to some bike shops around the area. The one that I went to, I forgot the name, but they fixed the problem and they only charged me 20 bucks. So right here, as you can see, we have playback in our rear brake. He bled the brakes, bolted everything back up. I rode for about an hour or so, and then the problem didn't come back. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I called the dealership where I purchased my bike, and they wanted me to bring it in to get it checked out. It was just a little bit too far for me to ride the bike out that way, knowing that this rear brake was locking up. But luckily, like I said, I found some guys that were, you know, literally right down the street. And then, you know, I was in there for about 15 minutes. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight into what's going on with my bike. The next thing I want to do, I want to replace this stock exhaust system and put something on there to give it a little more sound. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this type of video, definitely like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section below, and stay tuned for the next one. Like I said, I want to get this stock exhaust system off of here and get something that sounds a little bit better. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.